In today's competitive world of trucking, controlling your operating costs is critical to both profitability and ultimately survival. As costs increase, any gains to be had go straight to your bottom line. One of the biggest costs is fuel and typically accounts for up to 30% of your total operating costs. Wouldn't it be great if you could control your fuel costs to increase your profits? All the improvements in fuel economy in the past 20 years have come from advancements in the air management systems of diesel engines, which include turbochargers, charge coolers, and manifolds. These components are all interconnected, and due to thermal temperature changes, place stress on all the gaskets, hoses, clamps, charge coolers, and pipes. When leaks occur, the turbo has to spin at higher speeds to compensate for the loss of air pressure into the engine cylinders. This resultant loss of air pressure affects performance and drivability, not to mention turbocharger life. The end result is an increase in fuel usage from the engine working harder to develop the power demanded from it. By simply being able to find leaks in your engine intake system and fixing them can decrease fuel consumption and hence save you thousands of dollars. And it is not just fuel and money that you're saving. Cutting greenhouse gas emissions is now at the top of the list to help prevent climate change. Decreasing fuel consumption by 3% will have a significant effect also as governments move to emission trading schemes into the future. Higher fuel costs and purchasing carbon credits, just to name a few. That's where the Uptime Diesel Intake System Tester can help. Quite simply, it is a device that attaches to the turbo clean air outlet pipe to pressure test your system and ensure it's operating to its maximum efficiency. When integrated with preventative maintenance, this tool can literally save you thousands of dollars per year per truck.
The Uptime Intake System Tester was developed as an easy way to pressure test the intake systems of all current diesel engines used within the road transport industry. It is used to not only check for leaks but also when carrying out engine or cooling system repairs, where the intake piping has been removed or disturbed, to check both the workmanship and integrity of the system.
The Uptime Diesel Intake System Tester was specifically designed for workshops and fleet maintenance technicians to quickly and safely pressure test the air intake system of all Charge Air-cooled Cummins, Caterpillar, Detroit Diesel and Mack diesel engines used within the road transport industry. Unlike some, often homemade, existing tooling that workshops use to carry out this work, the Uptime Diesel Intake System Tester is fast and convenient, as well as safe to use. It incorporates a pressure relief valve and has been designed for ease of use and flexibility, as each unit has functionality for an array of engines. And now, with adapters to suit almost any engine, we have all your engines covered. Installing the Diesel Intake System Tester is a relatively easy process that any mechanic will be able to do, using the tools that they would already have in their workshop. With 4 different models to choose from, they offer the ability to test multiple engine models with just one tool. Simple to use, with built-in safety features, it can quickly make a hard job easy and diagnose those hard-to-find leaks. Because the Uptime Diesel Intake System Tester is so easy to use, significant savings can be achieved by preventative maintenance systems put in place to avoid potential breakdowns. Even minor leaks within systems will generally generate a 2 to 3% increase in fuel consumption. This figure is even higher on multi-combination vehicles. As engine and truck manufacturers continue to meet stricter emissions levels, this has created subsystems that eventually wear out, leak, and ultimately fail. Sometimes these faults are hard to detect due to multiple influences: weather conditions, trailer configurations, weight, and drivers versus owner-drivers who are in tune with their truck can also influence fuel economy and drops in performance. Don't wait until your truck or coach starts using excessive fuel due to intake system leaks. A good operator stays ahead of their competition by continually staying abreast with efficient operation of their truck. We now have a tool that is easy to use and can save you thousands of dollars per year per truck. The Uptime Diesel Intake System Tester. Call us today to find out how you can control your fuel costs and increase your profits.